Well, here in this video we're going to solve linear equation with two steps, except the x is on the right hand side. So here we've got 6 is equal to 7x minus 8, and then 15 is equal to 8 plus 3x. The keywords are balance and opposite. So if we write out the equation, here we look at this side, we now look at the right hand side, and we've got take 8 here. So what I need to do is to add 8 to both sides, i.e. opposite. 7x minus 8 plus 8 will give me, 6 plus 8 will give me 14, and then 7x minus 8 plus 8 will just give me 7x. And then I've got 7 times x, the opposite of multiplying by 7 is to divide by 7. 7x divided by 7 gives me x, and then 14 divided by 7 just gives me 2. And it's okay for the x to come out on the right hand side. We can just leave it like that. B, we've got 15 is equal to 8 plus 3x. So again, we've got 8 plus, so we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. So 15 take away 8 is 7. 8 plus 3x take away 8 will just give me 3x. And now we're going to divide both sides by 3 because we've got 3 times x. So if we divide this by 3, I just get x. Now 3 doesn't go into 7. So we just write our answer as an improper fraction of 7 over 3, and we leave it like that. So leave your answer as an improper fraction. It's okay to do that. So the final answer will be 7 over 3. So this has been a video to show you how to solve linear equations using two steps where the x is on the unknown is on the right hand side.